Ultimate Guide to Creating High-Quality AI Datasets. Intro. Hey good people, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of dataset creation, the backbone of machine learning and AI research. Whether you're a data scientist, a researcher, or just curious about how AI models are built, this video is for you. We'll break down what dataset creation is, why it matters, and how to do it responsibly, step by step. Stick around because I'm also sharing pro tips and tools to make your datasets top-notch. Let's get started. Visuals, energetic animation with text overlays, dataset creation 101, and build AI like a pro. What is dataset creation? So what exactly is dataset creation? It's the process of designing, collecting, cleaning, and curating data to train or evaluate AI models. Think of it as building the foundation for a house. Get it wrong, and everything else crumbles. There are two key players here: dataset creators, who design and oversee the process with deep expertise, and data labelers, who compile and finalize the data. It's a team effort, and today, we'll focus on how to make it a success. Why dataset creation matters. Dataset creation is the first step in advancing machine learning models. Without high-quality, diverse, and well-documented datasets, your AI could produce biased, inaccurate, or even harmful outputs. It's a fragmented field, with contributors ranging from specialists to incidental data collectors. But the challenges are universal: ensuring quality, diversity, and ethical compliance. Common challenges. Let's talk challenges. Creating a dataset isn't just about grabbing data off the internet. You've got to ensure high-quality data. No duplicates, no errors, no blurry or irrelevant content. Promote diversity. Represent different demographics, regions, and scenarios. Avoid legal pitfalls. Watch out for privacy violations, copyright issues, or discriminatory content. These hurdles can feel daunting, but don't worry. I've got 7 key recommendations to tackle them like a pro. Recommendation 1. Diversify and audit. First up, diversify your dataset and audit thoroughly. Diversity isn't just a buzzword, it's critical. Your dataset needs to represent various demographics, conditions, and attributes. For example, if you're building a facial recognition model, include faces from different ages, ethnicities, and lighting conditions. Auditing is just as important. Slice your data to spot patterns, gaps, or biases. For instance, check if certain groups are underrepresented or if there's harmful content. Tools like internal audits can quantify errors and ensure your dataset aligns with real-world needs. Recommendation 2. Prioritize quality. Next, strive for high-quality data. Quality means your data accurately reflects the target population, has no missing or inconsistent entries, and is relevant to your project's goals. Blurry images, inappropriate labels, those can lead to AI outputs that harm users or misrepresent reality. Manual validation is key here. Scrutinize your data to catch mislabeling or epistemological issues. Curating and cleaning your dataset ensures it's ready for prime time. Recommendation 3. Start early, iterate often. Here's a truth bomb. Your first dataset won't be perfect. Dataset creation is complex and mistakes happen. The key is to start early and iterate. Track your process, visualize your data, and improve as you go. Think of it like sculpting. Each iteration refines your dataset into something better. Recommendation 4. Document and communicate. Document openly and communicate limitations. Transparency is everything. Create detailed documentation about how your dataset was built, its strengths, and its weaknesses. Don't stop documenting after release. Update it as new issues arise or if the dataset becomes obsolete due to ethical or legal concerns. For example, if your dataset uses web-scraped images, clearly state licensing terms and ensure reproducibility by sharing the code. This openness builds trust and helps users avoid missteps. Recommendation 5. Design for users. Create user-centric datasets. Don't just build datasets for the sake of it. They should fill a specific gap. Define clear use cases and tailor your dataset to your audience, whether it's researchers or industry pros. Anticipate unintended uses, like a dataset meant for evaluation being used for generation, and warn against potential harms. Tools like data browsers or visualizations can make your dataset accessible and easier to audit. Recommendation 6. Respect privacy and consent. Contend with privacy and consent. Scraping data from platforms like Flickr can raise privacy issues, so treat privacy as a priority, not just a legal checkbox. Follow ethical standards like respecting robots, TXT when crawling, and be transparent about your crawler's purpose. Tools like Have I Been Trained? Let users check if their data been used, but ideally aim for consent-forward models where users opt in, not out. Recommendation 7. Build fit-for-purpose datasets. Finally, make the datasets you need. Don't settle for generic datasets. Create ones tailored to your research or project goals. Work with human annotators to craft specific datasets, even if it takes time and resources. Custom datasets are worth the effort for better AI outcomes. Let's break down the process. Define parameters and population. Identify what data you need and from whom. Collect data. Use web scraping, crowd workers, or existing datasets. Clean data. Remove errors, duplicates, or irrelevant content. Validate data. Ensure it's accurate and reflects real-world scenarios. Split data. Create training and test sets for model evaluation. Circulate data. Share it via repositories or research papers with clear terms. Here are some awesome tools to streamline your workflow. Design phase. Use datasheets for datasets for documentation and Label Studio for planning annotations. Generation phase. Try Beautiful Soup for web scraping, Hugging Face datasets for ready-to-use data, or GPT-4 for synthetic data. Curation phase. Label Studio or Argilla for annotation, and Pandas for quality checks. Documentation and distribution. Use DVC for versioning and Hugging Face Evaluate for metrics. Before you wrap up, run through this checklist. Is your objective clear and measurable? Does your data reflect real-world use cases? Have you cleaned and deduplicated your data? Is your documentation thorough, including ethical considerations? That's it, folks. Dataset creation is a journey, but with these tips and tools, you're ready to build high-quality, ethical datasets that power awesome AI. Drop a comment below with your dataset creation tips or questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI goodness. See you next time.